okuragurira abashaho ba pasita n'abashaho b'ekiraguju nibabeehabeeha abarwaire ngu nibaza kubakiza kandi ngo abamwe bafereirwe amagara gaabo omu miringo nk'egyo. Ebi bigambirwe omu rusiizira rw'ebyamagara orubaire omu Lyantonde aho endwara zitari zimwe na zimwe zicebeirwe.
Olwaliro tulonkize project egenderamu okuzimba obusobozi bw'abasawo okulwanyisa kansa. N'ekizibu kye tusanze nti abamu abakwatiddwa kansa bagenda mu nzikiriza ez'enjawulo nti babasabire kansa yawone. Njagala okutwala omukisa guno nti kansa nga omudetectinze bukyali asobola okuwona. Naye ekizibu abantu bagenda okugenda mu ddwaliro nga kansa atuuse mu stage esembayo. Naye kansa bw'obanga
when you go to most churches you find the pastors and preachers saying so and so came here with cancer and has cured. And you find the influx of clients from hospitals, from health facilities to churches.
Can go through health care, education, technology and social policy. Guys, behavior change and social policy. We need to research why people don't even do things they know. Today we are burying a nurse who is an oncology nurse at the Uganda Cancer Institute, a cancer specialist of breast cancer. But they say they saw the lamp, that small lamp, with their husband when it was born. She refused to go to the hospital.
The thing is early diagnosis. Early diagnosis. How do you know you have cancer? And we have been preaching it, but not that way.
Omushachi waitu agambiriwe n'abamwe mu bashaho b'ekiraguju hamwe n'abanyadiini ahabera okubagambwaho.
Tubuuliranga njiri n'ovaawo nga tobuulidde bantu. Gavumenti etambula etya puroguramu kyeriwo.
Abatuura bashabire okwirukanjirira omu marwariro okuraguriza endwara ezirikubatahirira. Gashakwa Sandike William.